Morning, everybody. We're going to run our classes this week using YouTube and email because our Learning Centre in King Street is closed this week. So along with the email link to the video, I have sent you some worksheets to do this week. You don't have to print these out. You can look at these worksheets on your phone and you can write the answers on a piece of paper or in your notebook. I'm going to send you another video on Friday with the answers to the worksheets so you can check yourself the work you have done. I'd like you to email me with any questions, but this week, can you email me and let me know you have got the worksheets, you have received the worksheets for this week, so I know who is working. We're going to do something very easy this week. We're going to do some revision, so look at things we already understand. We're going to look at St. Patrick's Day, and we're going to start looking at weather and weather forecast. So the worksheets this week. The first worksheet is just some reading using the verb to be. So I am, you are, he, she, it is. And it's just reading. All of this we already understand, we have already worked on in class. So I'd like you to read the worksheet, read it out loud if you can, and make sure you understand everything on the page. Next week, I'm going to give you some questions and some writing about this worksheet, but for today, it's only going to be reading. The second worksheet is about St. Patrick's Day. So at the top of the worksheet, we have lots of words. You might not understand all of them. It doesn't matter. It's just for fun. See what you understand. Read each sentence and choose a word from the box to write into the sentence. I'm going to upload all of the answers for you on Friday, but it's just a short piece of reading and writing about St. Patrick's Day. Then we're moving on to weather. We're going to start by looking at the days of the week. So this is spelling. And at the top here, we have vowels. So remember the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And it says fill in the missing vowels. So here we have the days of the week and you have to put the correct letters in the space. Then it says unscramble the words to make the days of the week. So scramble is when something is mixed up. So to unscramble, you have to spell the word correctly for the days of the week. The next worksheet is about weather, and we have pictures of different types of weather. And at the bottom, it says weather word scramble. So the same word again, scramble. So you need to spell the word correctly and write the word either in the box or on a piece of paper, or your notepad is fine. The next sheet is also about the weather. So at the top of the page, we've got 6 pictures and 6 words. And it says match the weather words to the correct picture. So if we take this picture here as being picture number 1, what is picture number 1? This is picture number 2. So what is picture number 2? This picture is number 3. This picture is number 4. This picture is number 5. And this picture is number 6. So you've got to write the correct word for each picture. At the bottom, we have a weather forecast. So it gives us the days of the week, starting with Sunday, and it tells us what the weather is like each day. The last worksheet is questions, and the questions are based on the weather forecast. So you have to look at the weather forecast, read the question, and write the answer. So these are your questions, and we're going to look at the forecast, and we're going to write the answers. So the first question is, what is the weather today? Well, today is Wednesday, so today is partly cloudy. And then the questions go on. What was the weather yesterday? What is the weather forecast for tomorrow? And we're using is for today, was for yesterday, and will be for tomorrow. So you can write your answers in, again, on the worksheet or on a piece of paper. Either is fine. And on Friday, I'm going to upload another video with the answers to your questions. So good luck for this week. Do send me an email and let me know that you've received the worksheets, and I'll talk to you again on Friday. Take care.